So this is an optional part question. The first question is, a nucleus with mass number A is equal to 240 and B upon A is equal to 7.6 MeV. Breaks into two fragments, each of A equals to 120 with BA, and calculate the release energy. The second question is, calculate the energy in fusion reaction, the given reaction, where B is of hydrogen 2.23 MeV and the helium is equal to 7.73 MeV volt. So the first question will be solved by the equation EBN is equal to 240 into 7.6 MeV. So this is the binding energy of the nucleus with mass number 240. Then the binding energy of two fragments would be 2 into 120 into 8.5. The energy released would be 216 MeV. The second question is will be solved like this. The total binding energy would be 4.46, which is the sum of the two binding energies, and the final binding energy of the system would be 7.73 MeV. Hence, the energy released is 3.27.